Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do this spare carrier using items from Amazon, Home Depot, and Walmart under $100. Stay tuned. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna roll your tire to where it sits flushly to the back of the bed. Once it sits flush to the back of the bed, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the tire shocks that were provided by Ericsson, and you're gonna put them underneath the tire, and that's how you're gonna measure where each tire shock will go. An example here, this is the back one. You're gonna make sure it fits nice and tight in between the tire. Once that's done, you're gonna remove the tire and you're gonna start drilling the holes where you mark it. You're gonna do the same for the front bracket and the rear bracket. I didn't use the hardware provided by the Ericsson company because I needed it in a rush since I was going out on a trip. So I used some metal sheets from Home Depot and some spacers. So once this is done, the next step you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the straps provided by Ericsson. The long one, you're gonna put it on the back, just like that. And then the front one, you're gonna grab it and put it on the rear, just like that. Once that's done, the next step is gonna be bringing the tire and try and tighten it up. Then you're gonna start wrenching. Once it's nice and tight, you see that it still has a lot of play, right? That's when the tie down strap comes in place. I got this at Home Depot, a pair for like $8. After tax, it came out to like 10. So what you're gonna do with this is these are some anchors that I bought from Amazon for $8 a pair. So you're gonna put it on the ends of the bed. It has the slots ready. So you're gonna grab the strap, you're gonna run it through there, just like that. And then you're gonna run it in the middle of the wheel, like this. Once it's done, you're gonna put it on the other end of the strap to start tightening it down, keeping it firm. Once that's done there, you're gonna pretty much tighten it, and that's gonna secure your tire from moving to the sides, like this. As you can see from previous, it doesn't shake as much because now it's nice and tight. It's holding up from the top with this ratchet, and it's holding from the side with this tied down strap. That way it's secure in one spot. For safety reasons, because you know sometimes we run to the market or when we go off-roading and we stop to eat, what I did was I bought a bicycle cable lock for $5 at Walmart. So here I will leave you guys with a speed up version of what I did. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys came up with your own ideas, please share them with us. We'll love to see what you guys came up with at KJ4x4couple on Instagram. And if you guys have any more questions or you guys want to see more DIY videos, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.